Okay, this is just a quick intro to section 7.4. We're looking at sum and difference formulas. I'm sorry, not distance, difference formulas. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using these three identities right here. This is on your trig bit sheet. This is about in the middle of your sheet here. We got sine A plus or minus B, cosine A plus or minus B, and tangent A plus or minus B. And they look a little complicated, and we're not going to talk about how they get derived. We'll probably talk a little bit more about that in calculus if you go to calculus. But as you can see, they're not too bad. You can see if you have something like A plus B, it's just sine A cosine B plus cosine sine. And then for cosine A plus B, it's cosine cosine. And then you can see the sign switches, and then sine sine. So it's not that awful. And then on here you can see tan plus or minus tan. And then it's 1 minus plus. Again, you switch the sign, tan, tan. They look a little complicated, but basically all these problems are just a plug and chug. So it's not the end of the world. In this section, though, you got to be familiar again with with the trig bits here on the bottom bottom left corner here. You got to be familiar with these, and then you're gonna have to be able to use these identities properly.